Hello, video number 3 for the Sorcery of Hecate that was promised this weekend. So, the first question is, what kind of material desires can Hecate do for me? And do I ask for all my desires at once or one desire at a time? And so the answer is this is not about Hecate doing stuff for you. If what you want is the gumball magic. You put the quarter in, you get the gumball out. You put the offering in, you get your wish granted. If that's what you want, this is not the course. This course is about what she can help you do for yourself. In terms of, and it's not to say that she's not involved, that her power is not called upon, but her power is called upon and mediated by you through your agency. What kind of material desires can you achieve? That really depends on your capacity, your commitment, and your skill, and your smart strategic application. That's true of all magic. And anyone who tells you it's not true of all magic is lying, and I'll stand by that. Yes, the crazy non-strategic miracles happen from time to time, but I have yet to meet a person who just every time gets the wish, casts the spell, and just lives this life where magic provides every little thing with no strategy, no thought, no skillful application whatsoever. So this course, thankfully, helps you develop that capacity, commitment, and skill. But any thoughts of quick and easy wish fulfillment, that's not what this is. So, that's not this. And in my experience, that rarely pays off in the way people think it will. The next question, what would you advise that I pause other practices while studying Sorcery of Hecate? No, it's not necessary. That really is up to you. Your time, your mental bandwidth. If you can do both, she's got no problem with you doing both. I did many different practices over the 15 years or so that this Arcana was put together, that it was worked. So, she can, there's no taboo there. The last question I got, or the question that I should say I saved for last, is about the cost of the course. So did some people that have taken it tend to think it's fair and well worth it. Some people, because so much out there is free, they maybe they feel like this should be free too, or that it costs too much, or so on. So all I can say is that unlike some of my other courses that are lower cost, like my blog, which is free, my books, which are under $20, and my strategic sorcery course, which is $150 for the whole year, this course requires a lot from me. I'll be spending a lot of time talking to the students through these Q&As and managing a lot of things, and the cost is what I need to make the time, just like anyone else. So it wouldn't happen without it. Your martial arts teacher can't operate the way that he might in, a monastery in China or something, because that's not the model of life we have over here. As for the specific cost, I looked at Tibetan Buddhist trainings in Tantra, not just events, but trainings, because that's similar to what this is. And I also looked at martial arts, retreats and trainings, and I priced this according to that, and I backed it down a little. I looked at sales training and kind of, corporate trainings, and I backed it down a little. So essentially, I looked at things that were similar in terms of training and commitment and doing something sustained. And I backed the price down a little bit. So it is what it is. And every year, every cycle, there are a few scholarships given. Witches in Wine runs a scholarship for the course, and I do as well. So, there's a waiting list. But as many people can tell you, it does happen. All right, that's it for this time round. Thank you so much for listening to these videos, and I hope that you decide to join Sorcery of Hecate. And whether you do or not, I wish you all the success in your strategic sorcery. Thanks.